one thing about DJ Prince. Everything I play, my love.
Royalty
Everything I
man.
play.
A royalty man, yeah.
Everything I play, sir. Sir, big up yourself. Welcome back to Daytime Live. As promised, we are discussing the topic in chat today. The topic is...
Hold on, wait, before we get to the topic. So our producer's name is Prince, right?
Yes.
And of course you have DJ Prince.
Yes.
So we have big up DJ Prince. He the director. He the director now. He the director now. Once him name Prince, him alright.
When I'm talking to you, Prince, he's like,
no, you, the DJ Prince.
DJ Prince,
not
sir.
Director Prince.
I was very clear.
Yeah.
All right, so our topic is social media ruining relationships more for men or for women? And in this discussion, once again, we're going to have DJ Prince. Yes, I'm going to talk to the king of Harmony Sound, who has been on the wheels of steel this whole time. So, Mr. Prince, sir.
Yeah, and of course our guests are going to be involved.
They're going to chime in too. Everybody are going to get involved in this conversation.
Read it again. Is social media
ruining relationships more
for men
or for women? So I guess we're prefacing by saying it's a ruined relationships. But is it
who's it affecting more?
Men or women?
Wow, that's very interesting. That's very interesting.
Are you stumped?
No.
What you say? So just say we women.
More for.
I think. Go on.
Let me tell you what I think. Social media has given persons a voice or a space to be a lot more vocal with their thoughts and beliefs and feelings.
Okay.
Right? Relationships from before us and after us, from Whoopi father man, from Philip mother was a girl. So even long before that, you understand? In the beginning, it was relationships.
The beginning, yes.
the beginning, right. And
the beginning.
So yes. I don't think there'll ever be any concrete blueprint for relationships, so that any one blueprint that works for all relationships.
Yes.
And there are things that men and women face during relationships, issues and how they operate.
You feel like you must not say nothing though.
No, hold on. I'm just saying.
It take a long time to get to the point.
What is happening is that I think men are speaking out more, and we are hearing more from women. Some men are talk out more, and we are here into the minds of women as to how them feel relationships could go. I actually believe the healthier relationships, people don't talk about them. Them people are quiet.
True that.
So you have to understand who we are hearing from.
Very true.
And the dysfunction.
We finally agree on something. Because most of the people that were here talk about relationship, I am like, shh, because you don't have...
Well, I know. Must have got catch that big story on my show.
No.
You have some people who used to talk about dysfunction in relationships, and them getting a good relationship, and them just get quiet. Them used to talk enough, and all of a sudden them get the relationship, and then them get quiet like a kitten.
Darling, I have maintained. Okay, so let me jump on this.
Yes.
I think, as it relates to social media, I think social media has done a wonderful thing. I don't think we can hide anymore.
Yeah.
I don't think anybody can hide.
We can hide still.
I lie, tell. Because when you come out on social media with your little girlfriend and you have 5 women that come out and say, well, that's my boyfriend too, and that's mine, nobody can hide.
No, but that's where, nobody can
hide.
That is where I hide, because
you see, Sir Alauka, Sir, I know say true.
Let me ask.
If my skin feel good.
Hold on, Prince, I'm going to ask you after this, yeah? But you have a young lady in the audience right here. She's a Woolmerian, so she's astute,
smart,
intelligent, brilliant, witty.
Brilliant, beautiful, all them things.
Who do you think it affects more? Do you think it negatively affects men more or women more?
To be honest,
yes.
I'm honestly not sure which one it affects more, but I do see that social media negatively impacts both of them, because I'd say, like for men, I think it puts a lot of pressure on them, because you see a few cute girl, you follow them, whatever, and you see like them boyfriend flying them out, stuff like that. So the next girl be like, I'm gonna get them treatment.
My boyfriend what list?
So
yeah.
I think it creates a lot of space for comparison, which is usually a lot of negative comparison, and then
and the pressure turns to the man
exactly.
if you fulfill that.
But then also the woman them know if I hide them man, them carry the post them man because you don't want nobody come to you as a woman. Hey girl, that's my boyfriend or something like that. That's my beer father or my husband. So I feel people are afraid now to post their significant other because of embarrassment or they are known infidelity, stuff like that. So I feel like there's just too much negative impact for both teams. So I feel like we should just all stay off social media when it comes on to relationships.
Would you post stuff about your relationship on social media?
About my relationship? No, I would not. Unless it's like, yeah, I love my man. Yeah, fine, maybe. Depend on the boy. But
yeah. Where's the depend on the boy? I mean, which one of the boys? You haven't picked?
No, just you never know. You never know who out there could be embarrassing you. So it's best you just don't post anything.
We don't do boyfriends on social media. We do husband alone and ring.
No, so yeah.
And if it's not husband and ring,
honestly, not even husband. Them say when you're missing, we even not post him.
Oh, oops.
Hold on. She has something to say. Can I hand the microphone over to her? What did you say a while ago?
I'm saying no, I am not for the posting in a husband thing like that. I do believe that when the relationship is more private, not secret, then it tends to last longer.
It's more what?
When the relationship is private and not secret, it tends to last longer because we don't want to hear any case of, oh Barbara, this is Shirley. No, we don't want that.
Oops.
Barbara,
this is Shirley.
Prince.
Okay.
Jump in, Prince. So you said DJ Prince.
Let's hear what Prince have to say.
I think social media can have a negative effect on the relationships of both men and women, but I think it all boils down to how people use the platform and, again, your expectations, because women can have a lot of expectations of men,
Just we
just
women?
as a result of...
Prince,
No, I'm not going to be biased.
Prince, start your mind.
Women can have a lot of expectations of men, and how the algorithm works with social media.
Yeah.
Depending on what you feed yourself and what you look at on social media, then the algorithm can flow a lot of things to you.
Right.
If you're not balanced, that can negatively affect the relationship.
So men and women, though, wouldn't you say?
Women.
You still me try to see it?
Me like that, Prince.
You still me try to see it? No, because let me tell you why I say that. Because even with women, like how you look. You see somebody in a relationship that look this way, and as a woman, you're like, oh, so I need to do the BBL too, and I need to do this so I can look like this. You understand what I'm saying? Right. So I think you're right, ma'am.
But that's what they're saying.
Sir, I think you're right.
But
you ladies.
Listen, most importantly,
that affects everybody, both men and women.
Talk to us via social media accounts because we want to continue this conversation. Because men, it's rough. We out there. We'll soon come back.
Rough on we out there.
Personally. Now we talk and deep, we can go in with that. Cause I'm in the mood. I stress it in the mood. I feel so like so